All right. You guys know what time it is. I know you guys are looking at the title. You have finally gotten that update that a lot of people are waiting for. Just would like to apologize if you guys did watch my Caspa update. I was out over the weekend, but we're back. And you guys know we have to make an update on ladies, something we've been discussing on the channel over the past few days. And this momentum that was building up, and this breakout that we have seen is something that I've spoken about on my channel over the past few days. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So if we're looking at ladies right now, still has about 7 zeros in front of the price, but the most important thing that we need to be noting is that it's currently sitting at 40,053, and it's up a staggering 9% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, and also up 10% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparatives. Looking at its market cap, $35.5 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $4 million. So we have seen quite some positive price actions within ladies over the past few days, and again, not surprising me at all. The craziest thing is that the entire market right now is bleeding, is seeing negative price action, but we're seeing ladies out here being like a bulletproof meme coin, if you guys want to call it that, it's outperforming the entire market. And again, something I've discussed in my previous update, if we're looking at the holder count, currently sitting at 15,729 holders, and if this price action were to continue, I could see this holder count reaching that 16,000 holders once again in the very near future. So we're looking at maybe in the next week or so. If we're looking at ladies Twitter, no sort of announcement as of now. It's just, I think, whales and possibly even Pepe investors kind of looking into ladies, because it is holding quite well, and smart money is really smart at the end of the day. These guys are very sophisticated. They know which altcoin is moving, which one is showing positive strength. And something I was discussing, literally, I know a lot of people are aware of this, literally mention ladies positive momentum right here. I call that right at the bottom. I said, we're seeing a positive momentum coming into ladies. And since then, we've seen, if you picked up some ladies or accumulated your ladies around that range, you are up right now almost double your money. And this is the beauty of meme coins. Obviously really risky. There are times where price action is just nothing but towards the downside, but when things really start heating up, it can heat up very fast, and you can see this for yourself, outperforming the entire markets. It's a low capped coin. Low capped coins generally are more riskier, obviously, but obviously higher risk, higher reward, and you can see this for yourself. This move that we did see happen back on just the 26th of August, I told you guys there is some smart money, some people, maybe possibly whales, that are eyeing this, and we're seeing this happen once again. Retesting. So basically, while I was gone on September 2nd, we did see it go up to that 42.51, possibly going to retest that, and if it breaks out of that, we are going to be retesting that 45.27 resistance. And if that breaks out, guys, I think fireworks could possibly start, and we could be heading to a $60 million market cap for ladies in the upcoming days, and that is going to be insane. And honestly, I'm starting to see that really happen in the upcoming days, as long as we do not see a rejection at that level of resistance, which I have just mentioned to you guys. In order for us to hit $60 million market cap, that's another move of about 50%. And for a small cap coin like ladies, that is nothing. In my opinion, that is quite nothing. It's quite achievable. And honestly, even though we're seeing the fear and greed index, the entire market overall, fear, it's in a fear zone. A lot of people are uncertain. A lot of people are on the sidelines. But we're seeing ladies really ripping through, and it's not moving slow either. It's actually, in my opinion, one of the top performers as far as meme coins are concerned. Now, you guys might come and say, Crypto ZX, what are you talking about? But that is true. What I'm saying is I'm referring to the OG meme coins of this cycle. This is one of them. Pepe hasn't been performing well at all. This has been outperforming Pepe by a quite margin. And not only that, a lot of Pepe investors are coming into Ladies. And I've heard that from a lot of people as well, because we know what is happening with Pepe. I've been not a fan as to what the team is really doing. That really speaks for itself. So that is the overall, image, or whatever you want to call it. That is what's happening with the overall market, and Ladies is going absolutely insane. If we're looking at Bitcoin, on the other hand, Bitcoin is sitting at some critical levels right now. Bitcoin could possibly fall below and honestly retest $22,000. And I know I've been talking about this target for quite some time. The safe zone for BTC is this zone right here, this greenish zone. If the price of BTC is in here, I think Bitcoin is safe. But if it's below that, and especially around this level, retesting the support continuously weakens the strength of that support. So if that were to be lost, 22K could be on the table. And if that happens, obviously that is going to impact the entire market. But as of now, we're seeing Ladies outperforming Bitcoin by a quite margin. And honestly, if this were to break this level of resistance, if I bring out this measuring tool for you guys, in order for us to break out of this level of resistance, it's only a move of about 11%. If that were to happen and it actually maintains its price above that, I could see Ladies continuing this upwards trajectory and possibly even retesting $60 million market valuation, which it retested back on June. And that would be crazy, to say the least. If we're looking at it on the daily time frame, you guys get a better picture as to what really is going on. So could we have already seen a bottom occur for Ladies? That is something we will obviously need to see as days go by. But if we're looking at it on the daily time frame, this chart isn't looking so bad after all. We're seeing obviously that initial release of Ladies, and then after that pretty much bottomed, went up to that $60 million market cap, double bottom, and it's seeing a reversal again. So did we just have a double bottom, and are we about to explode out of this level of resistance? Possibly. Again, possibility is definitely there. I'm not writing it off. The next few days are very, very important. I'm going to be analyzing this very closely. And let's hope, we do see a breakout out of this 45 zone. If that happens, great. If not, we could see a little bit of a downtrend. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you guys accumulating right now? Are you guys holding? And also, if you guys picked it up around that August 17th price, do not get greedy. Do lock in some profits. The market uncertainty level is quite high, as I've showed you guys. So if Bitcoin tumbles, we could see Ladies obviously react. Yes, you guys are probably saying, oh, Crypto ZX, Ladies is doing great right now. Of course, I'm saying that it's doing great, but that does not mean if Bitcoin drops about 14% that, Ladies is going to be outpacing it. No, I think there is an opportunity to be locking in profits for the early comers, and I think you guys should take quite, an advantage of that. If you guys see those profits, lock them in, and obviously accumulate once again if the prices were to retrace a bit. But overall, things are looking great. Next few hours are very important. We'll keep you guys covered. But with that said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.